Hi everyone. We are going to get started in logarithmic functions. This is kind of how we're going to finish up the course here. And the one important thing is logarithmic functions and then exponential functions, they are inverses of each other. And the exponential form, I have y equals a to the power of x. The equivalent to that in logarithmic form, the exponent is the answer actually in logarithmic form, and it's log base a, this goes here, of the number. So I need you to be able to kind of convert from one way to the other, and I have a couple of examples here to show that. My first example, write log base 5 of 125 equals 3 in exponential form. Alright, well 5 is the base. The answer in a logarithm is the power, so 5 to the third power, and this is what it is equal to, equals 125. So that is equivalent to that. So we need to be able to go one way to the other. Now, I have 2 to the negative fifth power equals 1/32. And I want to write that in logarithmic form. The log base 2 goes here of 1/32 is equal to negative 5. What power of 2 would give us 1/32? And the answer is negative 5. Now this next one, let's just find some logarithms. We're going to try it without the calculator first. The log base 3 of 81 is the log base 3 of 3 to the fourth power. In other words, what power of 3? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Do the math. It is equal to 81. So I'm just replacing 81 with 3 to the fourth power. This is asking what power of 3 would give us 81. Well, it's 3 to the fourth power. These two kind of cancel out. So the answer to log base 3 of 81 is 4. Now, this next one, log base b of the cube root of b. All right, well, if I rewrite the cube root as a, with a rational exponent. Remember, 1/3 cube root of b is the same as b to the 1/3 power. This answer is, it's asking for the power of b. What's the power of b here? Well, the power of b is 1/3. Okay, so just a couple of ways. Just understand when we're talking about a logarithm, we're talking about this is our base. 3 to what power will give us 81? 3 to the fourth power gives us 81. So that's why the answer is 4. B to what power gives us b to the 1/3? Well, that's answering itself there. Now, sometimes we need to approximate logs. Now, when this is, when there's no base written here, the go-to base there is 10. So log base 10 of 30. And that is what is understood on this calculator. So the log base 10 of 30 is 1.477 approximately. 1.477. And that's just saying, if I take 10 to the power of 1.477, I'm not putting this whole thing in. You'll notice I'm getting real close to 30 right there. When I round to the nearest, it's 29.99, and then some change there. Okay, that is the introduction. I'm going to stop there, and before I have you go to the next video.